How to make money with CPA marketing as a beginner. In case you're wondering what CPA stands for, CPA stands for cost per action. So you will be getting paid for someone to simply enter their name or phone number or email address. By them simply entering their name, you'll be able to earn anywhere from $2 to $5. As you can see here, there are persons that are doing this at this exact moment that are earning $2,500, $8,700, and you can see up to $29,000 by doing this. The first thing you will need to do is sign up with CPA Grip. There are numerous CPA marketing agencies that you can sign up with, but I would recommend that you sign up with CPA Grip. After you have signed up with CPA Grip, you will be led to this dashboard right here, and you are going to go over to the left hand corner and tap on Offer Tools. Then you are going to select My Offers. After you have done that, you'll be led to this page here, on which you'll see, depending on the country you're in, the offers that are available for your country. If you would like to change the country, for example, let's say you want to target United States, so you would select United States. By the way, depending on the country, I realized that United States, Canada, and some of the European countries, their CPA offers tend to pay a bit more. As you can see here, for someone to simply submit their email address for the chance to win a free Amazon gift card, you'll be getting $1.28. That's it. All they'll have to do is submit their email address once they are using a desktop, and that's it. Or you could select this offer right here, where they can use a mobile device, any mobile device, for a chance to win a sweepstake, and you will be getting $1.37. So once you have signed up, you'll be able to copy the link right here and do it. But you may be wondering, where will you get the traffic to start making money? Well, there are two platforms that you can use. The first one that you could use is TikTok. And as you can see right here, I'll be showing you how this page in the motivational niche is using CPA marketing to make money. As you can see, all they're doing is simply reposting motivational videos that they have downloaded from other TikTok creators or from Instagram. They haven't created any of these videos. They are simply re-uploading them. And if you should tap on their Linktree link right there, it will lead to this page, and right at the top, the first offer that they are promoting is a CPA offer. As you'll see here, all you'll need to do is simply fill in your name and email address, and this person will be earning $2. It's as simple as that. And there are persons that are also doing this on Instagram with motivational pages also, and you can do this on any niche. And if you would like to start one of these by doing motivational quotes on TikTok, you can simply come over to Instagram, grab any one of these videos. For example, tap on this video right here, then copy the link, and you'll be led to this page, on which I would recommend you go to igram.io, and you can simply paste the link right there for the video. Next, you can tap on download to download the video. Then you can re-upload it on TikTok, and that's it. After you have done that, you can add your link in the description and start making money. The other thing that I would also recommend that you give a try is Pinterest. As you can see right here, with only 352 followers on Pinterest, this person is able to garner over 26,000 monthly views. And all they are doing is promoting CPA offers, as you can see here, different CPA offers. And it's easy to create a pin, as all you'll need to do is simply go onto Canva. And from Canva, you can go and tap on social media, and you'll be able to create Pinterest content. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner.